Welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first is, which state is the third to approve a space industrial policy following Karnataka and Gujarat? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Here are some interesting facts about this. Tamil Nadu cabinet recently approved a space industrial policy to boost the space and attract investments. Tamil Nadu became the third Indian state after Karnataka and Gujarat to promote the space ecosystem. It already hosts key Indian Space Research Organization ISRO facilities like the ISRO Propulsion Complex at Mahendragiri, Tirunelveli, which tests cyclonic and liquid engines. The second Indian spaceport is being built by ISRO at Pattinam in Thothukudi to increase satellite launch capacity. The state also has several startups working on reusable launch vehicles in space manufacturing, in orbit refueling, and satellite data analysis. In space, Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center is an autonomous agency under the Department of Space to promote private participation. The next is the Minuteman third intercontinental ballistic missile, that is ICBM, was developed by which country? The answer is United States. Here are some interesting facts about this ballistic missile. The United States Air Force, that is USAF, recently conducted a successful test of the LGM 30G Minuteman Third Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, that is ICBM. This missile is nuclear capable and can deliver a warhead to any part of the earth. L is L in LGM means Celio launched. G stands for surface attack and M means guided missile. Minuteman III was introduced in the 1970s and was the first US missile with multiple independency targetable re-entry vehicles, that is MIRVs. It is the only land-based missile in the US nuclear time. It was developed by Douglas Aircraft Company, now part of Boeing. Although it was designed for 10 years of use, it has been upgraded and remains active. A new system called Ground Based Strategic Deterrent, that is GBSD, will replace it around 2029. The US currently maintains about 440 Minuteman III missiles in its arsenal. The next is, Scientists recently discovered a new species of damselfly and Califia sinuoferisca. In which state? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Here are some interesting facts about this species. Scientists recently discovered a new species of damselfly called Califia sinuofercata in Arunachal Pradesh. It was found during biodiversity survey in the Upper Sting and Lower Dingbank Valley districts. The species is proposed to be named the traded bronzeback due to its unique appearance. This is only the second species of the genus Califia ever recorded in India. The first species, Califia confusa, was documented more than 165 years ago. The genus Calfia is usually found in Southeast Asia and China, making this a significant discovery for the Indian biodiversity. The next is which country is the host of the 46th Association of Southeast Asian Nations, that is ASEAN Summit 2025. The answer is Malaysia. Here are some interesting facts about this summit. The 46th ASEAN Summit took place in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia from 26th May to 27th May. Leaders from across the region gathered to discuss important issues like US tariffs, the Myanmar conflict, and South China Sea disputes. ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations and is a regional group of from the promoters, political, economic, and security cooperation. It was established in 1967 through the Bangkok Declaration by Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, Singapore, and the Thailand. Its headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia, showing Indonesia's key role in the group. Last but not least, Bharat Forecast System is developed by which institute? The answer is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. In short, IITM, Pune. Here are some interesting facts about this forecast system. The Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD, will soon start using the Bharat Forecast System, in short BFS, for improved weather predictions. BFS is an indigenously developed advanced forecasting model created by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, that is IITM Pune. It offers 6 kilometer resolution, the highest in the world, allowing better prediction of small scale weather events. India upgrade from the 12 kilometer GFS model to a higher resolution BFS system. BFS gives more accurate local forecast of having rain and cyclones. It runs on the Arca supercomputer, that 11.77 petaflops speed, 33 petabytes storage. And based at IITM Pune, faster than the older Pratyush system, reducing forecast time. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.